G'day everyone, and welcome to the land down under. Australia, a place where the landscapes are as diverse as they are breathtaking. Whether you're a thrill seeker, a nature enthusiast, or a culture vulture, Australia has something truly special in store for you. Join me as we take a virtual journey to the top 20 holiday spots this country has to offer. Get ready to dive into crystal clear waters, trek through ancient rainforests, and soak up the sun on pristine beaches. We'll explore bustling cities and charming coastal towns, each with its own unique charm and allure. So buckle up, grab your sense of adventure, and get ready to be inspired. Our first stop takes us to the heart of the Pacific Ocean, to a natural wonder so vast it can be seen from space, the Great Barrier Reef. Imagine yourself snorkeling amidst a kaleidoscope of colours, surrounded by thousands of species of fish, turtles, and rays. Dive a little deeper and discover the intricate coral formations, home to an abundance of marine life. From majestic manta rays to playful clownfish, the Great Barrier Reef is an underwater paradise waiting to be explored. Next, we venture to the harbour city, Sydney, home to some of Australia's most recognisable landmarks. Picture yourself strolling across the Sydney Harbour Bridge, the steel arches framing the iconic Opera House in the distance. Feel the city's vibrant energy as you explore its bustling neighbourhoods, from the historic Rocks District to the trendy boutiques of Paddington. Indulge in Sydney's world-class dining scene, savouring fresh seafood with stunning harbour views. And as the sun sets, catch a ferry across the harbour, the city skyline transforming into a dazzling spectacle of light. Our journey takes us south to Melbourne, a city renowned for its thriving arts and culture scene. Wander through the labyrinthine laneways adorned with vibrant street art, each corner revealing hidden cafes and quirky boutiques. Lose yourself in the world-class collections of the National Gallery of Victoria. Catch a live performance at the iconic Princess Theatre. And don't forget to indulge in Melbourne's legendary coffee culture. Prepare to be captivated by Perth, the sun-drenched capital of Western Australia. Imagine sinking your toes into the pristine white sands of Cottesloe Beach, the turquoise water sparkling under the endless blue skies. Hop on a ferry and venture to Rottnest Island, home to the adorable and photogenic quokkas. Back in Perth, discover the city's vibrant nightlife and burgeoning culinary scene. Get ready to experience the infectious energy of Brisbane, a city where the river is the heart and soul. Stroll along the South Bank parklands, taking in the city skyline views and enjoying the year-round sunshine. Discover hidden bars and restaurants tucked away in laneways, each with its own unique character and charm. And for a change of pace, take a short trip to the Gold Coast, where golden beaches and vibrant nightlife await. Prepare your taste buds for an unforgettable journey through Adelaide, a city renowned for its culinary delights and world-class wine regions. Explore the Adelaide Central Market, a vibrant hub of fresh produce, artisan cheeses, and local delicacies. Indulge in a wine-tasting tour through the Barossa Valley, sampling some of Australia's finest Shiraz and Cabernet Sauvignon. Discover hidden laneway bars and restaurants, each offering a unique twist on modern Australian cuisine. Step back in time and discover the charming city of Hobart, nestled amongst rolling hills and overlooking the River Derwent. Explore Salamanca Place, with its historic sandstone buildings now home to galleries, cafes, and boutiques. Take a ferry to the Museum of Old and New Art, known as Mona, a subterranean wonderland of thought-provoking art installations. Venture beyond the city and immerse yourself in the rugged beauty of Tasmania's wilderness. Get ready for an adrenaline-pumping adventure in Cairns, the gateway to two World Heritage-listed wonders, the Great Barrier Reef and the Daintree Rainforest. Embark on a scenic helicopter flight over the reef, marvelling at the vastness and beauty of this natural wonder. Dive into the crystal-clear waters and come face-to-face with an array of marine life. Explore the ancient Daintree Rainforest, the oldest rainforest on Earth, home to a diverse range of flora and fauna. Venture to the Northern Territory and discover Darwin, a city brimming with character and adventure. Explore the Mindil Beach Sunset Market, where you can sample local delicacies while watching the sun dip below the horizon. Delve into the region's rich Aboriginal culture at the Museum and Art Gallery of the Northern Territory. Embark on a wildlife spotting cruise along the Adelaide River, where you might spot a saltwater crocodile in its natural habitat. Get ready for a holiday filled with sun, surf, and endless entertainment on the Gold Coast. Catch a wave at Surfers Paradise, one of Australia's most iconic beaches, known for its golden sands and consistent surf breaks. Experience the thrill of a lifetime at one of the Gold Coast's many theme parks, from the adrenaline-pumping rides of Dreamworld to the aquatic adventures of SeaWorld. Indulge in the Gold Coast's vibrant nightlife, with its array of bars, clubs, and restaurants catering to every taste. Journey to the nation's capital, Canberra, a city brimming with history, culture, and political significance. Visit Parliament House, witness the workings of Australian democracy, and learn about the country's rich history. Explore the Australian War Memorial, a moving tribute to the sacrifices made by Australian servicemen and women. Discover the impressive collection of Australian art at the National Gallery of Australia, or wander through the serene beauty of the National Arboretum. Prepare for an unforgettable Outback adventure in Alice Springs, the heart of Australia's Red Centre. Explore the rugged beauty of the McDonnell Ranges, hike through ancient gorges, and discover hidden waterholes. Immerse yourself in Aboriginal culture at the Alice Springs Desert Park, learn about traditional bush tucker and medicine, and witness ancient ceremonies. Experience the magic of Uluru, Ayers Rock, and Kata Tuta, the Olgas, sacred Aboriginal sites that hold deep spiritual significance. Indulge your senses in Margaret River, a region renowned for its world-class wineries, stunning coastline, and laid-back charm. Embark on a wine-tasting tour, sampling award-winning Cabernet Sauvignon, Chardonnay, and Semillon. Discover hidden beaches and secret surf breaks, perfect for catching a wave or simply relaxing on the sand. And for a unique adventure, explore the lake cave, marveling at the stalactites, stalagmites, and the reflection of the lake below. Escape to Byron Bay, a coastal paradise known for its laid-back atmosphere, stunning beaches, and bohemian vibes. Start your day with a yoga class overlooking the ocean, followed by a swim at Wategos Beach, renowned for its crystal-clear waters and gentle waves. Explore the Cape Byron State Conservation Area, hike to the top of the lighthouse for panoramic views of the coastline, and spot dolphins playing in the waves below. Indulge in Byron Bay's thriving health and wellness scene, with its abundance of organic cafes, juice bars, and alternative therapies. Embark on a wildlife adventure on Kangaroo Island, a haven for native Australian animals. Encounter kangaroos, wallabies, and echidnas in their natural habitat. Marvel at the playful antics of sea lions at Seal Bay Conservation Park, and spot koalas dozing in the eucalyptus trees. Discover the remarkable rocks, a collection of granite boulders sculpted by the wind and waves into bizarre and fascinating shapes. Set sail for the Whitsunday Islands, a collection of 74 idyllic islands nestled in the heart of the Great Barrier Reef. Charter a yacht and explore the islands at your own pace, dropping anchor in secluded coves and swimming in the crystal-clear waters. Relax on the pristine white sands of Whitehaven Beach, consistently ranked as one of the most beautiful beaches in the world. Take a scenic flight over Heart Reef, a coral formation shaped like a heart, and marvel at the beauty of the Great Barrier Reef from above. Indulge in the luxurious side of tropical North Queensland in Port Douglas, a sophisticated coastal town that's both stylish and relaxed. Stay in a luxurious resort overlooking the Coral Sea, enjoy world-class dining experiences, and pamper yourself with spa treatments. Embark on a day trip to the Great Barrier Reef, choosing from snorkeling, diving, or simply relaxing on a pontoon. Explore the Daintree rainforest, taking a guided walk through the ancient rainforest, spotting unique wildlife and swimming in refreshing waterfalls. Discover Launceston, a charming city in Tasmania's north, where history, food, and natural beauty combine to create an unforgettable experience. Explore Cataract Gorge, a stunning natural wonder located just a short walk from the city centre. Take a scenic chairlift ride over the gorge, walk across the suspension bridge, and admire the cascading waterfalls. Wander through the historic city centre, admiring the well-preserved Victorian architecture and browsing the boutiques and art galleries. Experience the magic of Broome, a remote coastal town in Western Australia, where the red dirt of the Outback meets the turquoise waters of the Indian Ocean. Witness the breathtaking phenomenon of the staircase to the moon, a natural illusion that occurs when the full moon rises over the exposed tidal flats of Roebuck Bay. Take a camel ride along Cable Beach, watching the sun dip below the horizon, casting a golden glow over the ocean. Discover the town's rich, purling history at the Broome Historical Museum and learn about the fascinating culture of the pearl divers. Embark on an off-road adventure on Fraser Island, the world's largest sand island, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and a true natural wonder. Hire a 4WD and explore the island's diverse landscapes, from towering rainforests and freshwater lakes to rugged coastlines and towering sand dunes. Swim in the crystal-clear waters of Lake Mackenzie, a perched lake formed entirely of rainwater. Hike through the rainforest to Eli Creek, a freshwater creek that flows directly onto the beach. So there you have it, mates. From the vibrant underwater world of the Great Barrier Reef to the rugged beauty of Uluru, from the bustling cityscapes of Sydney and Melbourne to the laid-back charm of Byron Bay, Australia has something for everyone. Whether you're an adventure seeker, a nature lover, a foodie, or simply looking to relax and recharge, Australia's diverse landscapes and welcoming people are sure to leave a lasting impression. So what are you waiting for? Start planning your Aussie adventure today and discover why this incredible country should be at the top of your travel bucket list.